Good morning, my dear student. Welcome to TAPOSHI educational tutorial. Today, I bring a new interesting chapter, that is mensuration, which means the measurement. That means we understand the perimeter and area of a rectangle figure and a square figure. Okay, the student, basically the measurement is very essential part in our daily life. We measure everything, we require that one. We measure the length of the wall, we measure the length of the height, we measure the cloth, we measure the land, window, door, everything we required measurement. Okay, in this chapter, basically we understand the measurement of area of a rectangle or a square, and also we measure to understand the perimeter of a square and rectangle. So what is perimeter? The perimeter of a plane figure is the length of its boundary. The unit of perimeter are the same as the unit of length, that is centimeter and meter. You know it very well, right student? So now what is area? Area, that is measurement of the region enclosed by a plane figure, is called its area. Basically we use the unit of area, that is meter square, centimeter square. That means the area of a square of side 1 centimeter is 1 centimeter square. The area of a square of side 1 meter is 1 meter square. Now I give you the standard unit of area or the conversion of its unit. Here I give you a list that is help you to calculate the mathematics problem regarding this chapter. So let's start to understand the area and perimeter of a rectangle and area and perimeter of a square. My dear student, here I am going to explain about the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Here I drawn a rectangle PQRS and its diagonal PR. Let's consider the length PQ is equal to L and QR is equal to B. That means length, this one length and this one breadth. Correct? So we write the length is equal to L and breadth is equal to B. So area of the rectangle, number 1, area of the rectangle, so length into breadth. Okay, square unit. Okay, so that means we consider the unit is a square unit, right? Now if we find out the length, then we can write length is equal to area upon breadth. Okay, so it is unit. Correct? Now we find out the breadth of this rectangle. So breadth is equal to, we can write breadth is equal to, same like that, area by length, it is also unit. Right? What is the diagonal of this figure? So here PR is the diagonal of PQRS rectangle. So here we write number 4 diagonal is equal to under root the length square plus breadth square unit. Correct? Now, what is the formula of perimeter of this rectangle? So, PQR, the perimeter of rectangle PQR is equal to, we can write 2 into length plus breadth units. Right? So, student, I hope you understand all this formula very clearly. Hello dear student, here again we understand the area and perimeter of a square. Here I drawn ABCD is a square and each side are equal. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So we can write each side of this square AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA is equal to A unit. Right? And diagonal AC here mentioned AC. Okay, so that is we put D. AC is equal to D. Correct. Now one by one we understand the area and perimeter formula of this square. Okay, let's area of this square number 1. So we write area of the square. Here we consider the side A, side is equal to A. Then area A is equal to A square unit. Okay, so this is the formula of area of the square. Number two, side of the square. Side of the square. So we write side is equal to under root area units. Correct? So here student, now we find out the diagonal of the square. Number 3, diagonal of the square, that is AC is equal to D is equal to under root 2 A means side unit. Correct? So now dear student, here we understand number 4 is area of the square. Also we can write area of the square square, also we write that is half into diagonal, that is we consider d, so half into diagonal square, right? That is d square. It is a square unit, right student? So now we understand the perimeter of the square a b c d. So number 5, the perimeter of the square. So we write perimeter of the square 4 into side, that means a unit, correct? I hope all this formula you understand very clearly. Dear student, we already understand the different formula of rectangle and square. Now, related on them, we try to solve the mathematical problem. Okay, now first question is given here. Find the area of a rectangular plot, one side of which is 48 meter and its diagonal is 50 meter. So here I draw a figure on the basis of this math. So here A, B, C, D is a rectangular plot. Okay, and AC is the diagonal. So here AB is equal to, here given 48 meter, right? And diagonal here 50 meter, that is AC. So on this basis we write there, we know that we know that we know that all the angles of rectangle, all the angles of rectangle are 90 degree. That means these angles are each 90 degree, correct? So we can write here, and diagonal divides the rectangle into two equal right angle triangle, two equal right angle triangle, correct? So now dear student, we can write here, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, correct? So we already mentioned here AB is equal to 48 meter, that is side, okay, and AC AC, that is diagonal 50 meter. It is given, right? So here we put this value, all these things. So perpendicular from this formula implies that perpendicular is equal to, we can write hypotenuse square minus base square, correct? So we put the value perpendicular is equal to under root, that is 50 square minus 48 square, correct? Now that will be 2500 minus 2304 under root. Okay, so here we will get this one, subtract now, it will become 196. If you do the calculation of this square root, then it will become this one 14 meter, right? That means we got perpendicular. So other side of the rectangular plot, therefore other side of the rectangular plot is equal to 14 meter. Okay, so length, here length AB is equal to 48 meter. Okay, and breadth that is BC is equal to 14 meter, correct? So we can easily find out the area of this rectangular field. So therefore area of the rectangular plot is equal to, that is 48 into 14 meter square. Okay, that means it will become 672 meter square, right? Okay, so hence the area of the rectangular plot, that is ABCD, is 672 meters square, right student? Hope you all this problem understand very clearly. Thank you for watching this video. Here find the area of the given length and breadth of a rectangle, right? So here given the length, number one, length is given 46 centimeter. okay, and breadth it is given 25 centimeter. Okay, so dear student, we already learned the concept about the area and perimeter of the rectangle, right? This is the rectangle A, B, C, D. Their length is given is 46 centimeter and breadth is 25 centimeter, right? So as we know area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here unit is centimeter, so we write centimeter square. So now put this value, length is equal to 46 and breadth is equal to 25 centimeter square. So now we multiply, then it will become this one 0 and this one 5 and this one 11. So 1150 centimeter square. So on the basis the question, so area of the rectangular field ABCD is 1150 centimeter square. Right student? Hope you understood these mathematical problems. Now dear student, again the same mathematical problems regarding this chapter that is given here. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 2 meter 5 centimeter and breadth is 60 centimeter. For better understanding, I draw here a rectangle PQRS whose length L and breadth B. So length is equal to 2 meter 5 centimeter. Now we convert it into the centimeter. So meter to centimeter. So we write 2 into 100, that is centimeter, plus 5 centimeter. Now it will become 205 centimeter. This one 200 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, that is 205 centimeter. Now breadth already convert the same length, that is 60 centimeter, that means same unit is there. Now we find out the area of the rectangle. So we write area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth square unit, that is centimeter. So we write here this one 205 into 60 square centimeter. Right, now multiply this one, it will become this one 0 0 and this one 3 and 2 1, that means 12,300 centimeters square. Right, I hope you understood this mathematical problems. Dear student, here I bring the another mathematical problem that is given here. Find the perimeter of a rectangle. Here the given length is 20 meter and breadth is 50 meter. So in this figure ABCD is a rectangle, right? And in this figure that you find the perimeter of this rectangle. As we know perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, that is unit meter, right? So we put this value 2 into the length is 20 meter, right, and breadth is how much? 15 meter. Now it will become this one 2 into 35 meter, that means 70 meter, right? So the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD is 70 meter. Hope you clearly understood these mathematical problems. Okay, student, here given the another problem number 4, find the area of the perimeter of the given square field. Right. So here area and perimeter that we find in this diagram, that is given side is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, so the diagram ABCD is a square. So ABCD is a square. It is given here, right? So as you know, as we know, the area of a square is equal to side square. Here unit is centimeter, so we write here centimeter square, right? So now put this value, side is 15, so 15 square centimeter square, that is 15 into 15 centimeter square. It will become this one 1575. Okay, 7 is carry 15 and this one 25 centimeter square, right? So area of the given square field is 225 centimeter square. Now the perimeter of the given figure. So what is this perimeter? Perimeter, as you know, the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into equal side, that is unit is centimeter, right? So 4 into 15 centimeter, that means 60 centimeter, right? So given figure ABCD, its area is 225 centimeter square and the perimeter is 60 centimeter. I hope all these things regarding this math you clearly understood. My dear student, here I bring the another mathematical problem, that problem or question number 5, that is here given, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose area is 600 centimeter square and breadth is 25 centimeter. So here I drawn PQRS is a rectangle. Okay, so here given the area of the rectangle is equal to 600 centimeter square, correct, and breadth is given 25 centimeter, right? So here we take the length bx, so we write let the length of the rectangle be x centimeter. Correct. Now we find out the area of the rectangle. Therefore, the area of the rectangle formula is length into breadth square centimeter. Right, here length, that is we taken x, and breadth is 25 centimeter square. That means 25 centimeter square, 25 x centimeter square. Correct. Now we comparing the both square, that is area of the rectangle, that is 25x centimeter square, and this one, right? So according to question, we can write 25x centimeter square is equal to 600 centimeter square. So x is equal to, implies that x is equal to 600 divided by 25, that is it will be 24 centimeter. Correct. Therefore x is equal to 24 centimeter. So length of this rectangle, therefore the length of this rectangle of this rectangle is equal to how much? The here x is equal to 24 centimeter. The length of the rectangle is equal to 24 centimeter, right? So perimeter of this rectangle PQRS. So the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth centimeter, that is we write 2 into length is 24 and breadth is 25, so it will became this one 2 into 49, so 2 into 49 centimeter, so it will become 98 centimeter. Right. I hope student you understood this math very clearly. Now dear student, the math number, this one 6, here given, find the area of a square whose diagonal is 5 root of 2 centimeter. So here given ABCD is a square and its diagonal is 5 under root 2 centimeter. Correct. So as you know student, the area of the square, we know that area is equal to half into diagonal square, right, and centimeter square, right. That according to question, so diagonal is given here, so half into diagonal is 5 under root 2, okay, it's square, then bracket centimeter square. Correct. Now find the value is half of this one 5 square into under root square. Correct. Centimeter square, this is the unit. So this one half into 25. When we remove the square root of the square, it will become 2. Okay, that means square root of 2 means 2 power half. Now a whole to the power 2. That means 2 half into 2. This one cancel, it became 2. So it became 2, that is centimeter square. Now 2 cancel, it will become 25 centimeter square. Right, student? So area of the square whose diagonal 5 root 2 centimeter is 25 centimeter square. I hope you clearly understood this mathematics problem. Dear student, here the another mathematical problem is question number 7. Here it is given a carpet is 30 meter and 75 centimeter long and 80 centimeter wide. Find its cost at rupees 150 per square meter. Right, student? So here I drawn a carpet that is A, B, C and D. That is a rectangular shape. So the length of this carpet is 30 meter and 75 centimeter. So given length of the carpet is equal to how much? 30 meter 75 centimeter. That means we convert it into centimeter, right? So 30 into 100, that is centimeter, plus 75 centimeter. It is equal to this one 3000 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. It will become 3075 centimeter. Correct, student? Now the breadth of the carpet, breadth of the carpet is equal to given 80 centimeter. Correct? So now find the area of the carpet. So area of the carpet, that is length into breadth, centimeter square. That means length is 3075 into 80 centimeter square. Now we multiply, then it will become, now you convert this one into the meter. So we can write this one 30.75 into this one 0.880 meter square. Now if you multiply, then it will become 24.6 meter square. Correct? So we got the area of the carpet. Now here mention it costs at rupees 150 per square meter. So we write there cost of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 150. Correct? The cost of the carpet, cost of the 24.6 meter square carpet will be how much? This one 24.6 into 150. that is amount, right? So it will become, now if you multiply properly, then it will become rupees 3690 rupees, correct? So I hope student you understood this mathematic problems very clearly. Okay, subscribe this channel, share with your friend, like this video, okay, and leave a comment that we do more math and we bring the more video in this channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time regarding these chapters. Thank you for watching.